What the butterfly? Today we're playing Ikea 3008 or something. Then Papa, literally. Papa such a noob. He can't even find my tower. So you're noob. You're noob.
Yes, sure.
My tower's so safe. Really, sir? I'm scared. This game has been rumored about something, I don't know what. I'm still.
What?
Dang it!
What? What?
Help!
How come I ran away from here?
You
Hey,
seem so sick.
hey, what is this? I'm dying.
Poor Papa Elsa. You died like 3 times. Like 3 times in a row. I got a little TV lah.
So cool.
Don't leave.
What time is it now? You want to go to the park, Aceh? You don't know?
Reset.
3 o'clock.
Papi, if you die at 10 out of nowhere, I will be so laughing
How
hard.
to make the camera? How to make the
You
camera?
thought?
Record.
You should have to find this.
No,
Oh wait, the
that's for
screenshot.
screenshot. Just screenshot from your. Just make the recording from yours.
I'm pretty sure my tower's nearby yours.
I can also talking on there, right? Come on, just make
I
it.
don't know yet.
Just make it. Recording from yours. Come on.
Mine I press from this.
Huh? Not chat. This was screenshot.
Mine press that.
This is your previous phone. Why you don't know?
I never read that from here.
Oh, why you say like that?
I think
That one screen recording.
from
Yes,
this, right?
yes. It's a lag.
Okay, sorry about that. I'm a little bit scared, so I'm gonna stay up here. Hup! Oh, ooh! Subscribe if you're new to the channel because you don't want to miss out the videos that I made. Bro! That is so lame.
What is this?
Because if you leave too long, it will beat them like that. Oh, you're retorting?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
but it's not working, man.
And Matai and I.
That's free.
And
Can we
Matai
try
and.
to play this one? Is it working? I thought this microphone is not working. I thought, right?
You died 4 times?
That's silly. I
You're
will
such
try.
a noob.
I will try for the fifth. Okay. This is the
What?
5 times. It's nice again.
Bro, it was already 9. You're such a noob.
It's not working. What? What is this?
Robot isn't
Responding.
really.
Yeah. I was kicked out from here. I have to
For Pop
restart.
Elsa. R.I.P. Pop Elsa. Yeah, R.I.P. Pop Elsa. He died like 5 or 4 times. He's such a noob at Roblox. This team is like popular if I'm not mistaken. But that's it, Bye, Love you.